Incremental routines. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for the element window, and especially we will cover those, all of the panels. So you don't have to go with all of that.
Here. So this one is the element window. Okay. Here you'll see your elements. This one is your knowledge tree.
Yeah, he doesn't mention anything else. So let's change that. So let me add my 2 cents. That's the element window we have seen before, but those are panels. By default, you have to learn. It's all of that. Again, there's no need to click here. It's just convenience. Everything is in the menus or has a key binding. I actually never do anything here. It's just to take a peek at those stats, those numbers, and that's it. I don't click anything. So when you are getting familiar with this, with Supermemo, you can actually do it. I don't remember the key binding. Oh, let me click the icon so I can trigger the feature. And eventually you will do this less often, and then when you have memorized the key bindings and the menus, you will never do this again. You will never touch those. Then the next one is editing. This is for text. The intent, the font size, the centering, underline, all of that. Then when you are reading, you have actions that are usually performed when you're reading on a topic. We will see this later on. Again, there's no need for any action of those. You can trigger this by key bindings. Compose, same thing. I think this is required to be used when you create new templates. We will see this later on, but it's something that you do rarely, because once you already have the template, you may want to customize the color or something like that, but it's very likely that you will never touch this again. So you could have months that you never need to go to the compose panel. Then tools. Again, nothing extraordinary, nothing exclusive. Just a selection of buttons for convenience. And later, the alarm. It's a built-in alarm. This is because Piotr Wozniak wanted to do it, and that's pretty much it. So what I suggest is to leave the first one. Why? Because when you go to the daily session, you click on Learn, you will see the priority of every element, and the stats. Let me do one. So look at that. That many days, that many repetitions. That's the time it was expected to review. More metrics still here. Remember, I have the hints, so we know what it is exactly. And if I go to the next one, I see different things, right? So for convenience, I already have that, so I can actually get rid of this window, if you remember. And that's pretty much it. Did I do templates? Okay, let me go here. That I'm still a noob. I forgot the key binding and I want to have that and move on now. I don't want to waste time checking that. Yeah, feel free to go here and, oh yeah, what's this button? Okay. Easy. That's all for now. See you in the next video.